Nikki here with you, and I thought I would do for my second video of the week. I told you I was gonna try to do 2 videos for you guys, even though I'm taking a break and I'm not doing as much. I figured I would show you how I'm stitching together the inside of my little albums. And you probably have, these are probably already on my Etsy store, and if they are, the link will be down in the description box below. I'm hoping to make a set of these little albums with a postcard. And so I've already made 2 of them. Look how adorable those turn out to be. So those are the little albums, and there's little charms at the bottom, which I think are just super cute and just makes really fun little gifts. So I figured I would make 4 of them. So if you're interested, it's the perfect time to go and get them. So basically what I do to stitch it, I take three times the length of this, of the book, because I do want to have something hanging so I can actually thread the little charms through. I've got some little beads here that I'm going to be choosing to go through. You have to make sure that the beads will go through the eye of the needle, because otherwise you're going to be stuck. And then I've got the little pages, so I've cut them down to size. Now I just need to figure out how I want them to be placed. So I figured that this little album could be something that can be put in the pockets, and you can scribble on, or you can draw on, or you can do other things with it. Obviously there's some you can just glue stuff on it. That was my thoughts for these little books. And so now I've got my little sack. I'm just gonna fold it into 2, like so. And if you want to see a full video of the making the cover and everything, that's on my Patreon. I shared it with the higher tier. So these, though, I did stitch all around. I figured that I would do that added little step, just so that it's fun. I also distress the edges, and so there's that. Then I just go and punch in the middle with my tool at the top and at the bottom. Thread this. Obviously the longest part of making this is making the paper, and then was stitching everything, cutting out the paper size, the right size, and so on. That's the part that's long. Make sure that you don't pull this too far, because you do want to be able to, you don't want it to go back out. And I've also stitched the button that's used for the closure. So here, and then you put this through again. And in order to have my little toilet paper, I spray it, and then so that it's clean. And then what I do is I lay it flat and let it dry, so that after that I can just put the paper on, and that's it. So here we go. Put this through again, like so, and make sure that it doesn't through. So you've got the little beads. Obviously you don't have to put beads, but I just think it's an added little touch that's very pretty. So then I put it through here under, and I tie the middle, and I tie it twice to make sure that it's very tight, and you've got the little closure. So then I can remove my little clips. These are clips that I got at the dollar store, so not very expensive. And then I can just put my little charms and put the little embellishment at the front, and that will be the end of that. So I hope that you've found this insightful, and go and check out in the description box below the link to these little album set. I hope that you enjoy them, and I will see you guys very soon for another video. Love you so much. Take care. Bye.